All right, we're live now. Okay. All right. Hello, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and we decided to go for a walk. I'm with Lauren, who you may remember from the Facebook Live. So, okay, now Lauren, just so you know, Lauren, if you're wondering why her makeup is like, why she looks like she's in an 8-year-old ballet recital, it's because she was making a TikTok video. For those of you who don't know, Lauren is a makeup artist. She lives with me. She's my niece. She's my brother's daughter. And she's a lovely human being, but sometimes she does crazy makeup. And she's going to be reading the comments. Yes. Hey, Jenny B. So we decided to go live on the Hungry Girl Facebook page. Usually, we just go live on my personal page. And I talk to like 3 relatives, like 4 people I went to high school with, and other people who know me personally. But we decided to go for a walk to see if we could inspire you. Hi Carly. We wanted to be a little inspirational because, hey Jenny, the truth is, not every day is a fun day while we're quarantining, and some days are tougher than others. Yeah. Hi Julie, and today was a day that I think a lot of people were in a funk. Like, I don't know if you guys were in a funk or if you're in a good mood, but like, it's been a little rough. If you watch the news, it's a little, hey Patsy. If you watch the news, it gets a little rough. We're walking uphill, by the way, and we're being safe. Like, we walk around the neighborhood every day, and if we see people, we wave at them. We hear people on motorcycles, we wave at them. Hi Robin. But we're very safe, and we try not to get close to people. But so we do this a lot because walking makes us feel good, right?
Yes.
And if we feel like if we sit around, we don't get fresh air, it's not so good. She feels, yes, now I feel weird. I'm trying to read your comments.
Sorry.
So I can.
Walks are my favorite part of the day. Only time I get outside.
Yeah, these days, it's like you can't do anything really.
Things are weird.
I mean, we've been staying busy. Like, I'm running Hungry Girl from my house, and my staff is working, and I go live and I do recipes. I didn't feel like making a recipe tonight. I just felt like walking. And I was like, well, why don't we just go on a walk and invite the Hungry Girl people?
6:22.
Woo! It's 6:22. We're still walking uphill. Soon.
The sun's set in like an hour.
The sun's going to set in a little while. Hey, Jody. So, it is gorgeous here. So, we're lucky that we have good weather. But I just figured we'd walk and talk and chit-chat and see what you guys are feeling, and if you have any questions. I decided I want to be crafty. So I bought a children's sticker book. It's like Lauren made a paint by number. It took, 30 hours?
Like 12.
It took we're in California. So Lauren made a paint by number, and it was really great, but it took so many hours. So I bought a sticker book that's like meant for children. And so I've been doing, it's called Paint by Sticker, and it's like all these different animals. I don't like the way the sun is here. It's weird.
We should be walking into it, right?
Oh, maybe. Hold on. No, that's worse. What's happening? So I got this sticker book, and like there's little numbers, and you put the stickers in, and it turns into an animal, and it was therapeutic. Hi. Someone said Hungry Girl. Someone's on as Hungry Girl, and they said hi.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Darlene received her white rice and Anthony's cheese sauce today.
Oh, good. I'm glad you got. Did you try your cheese powder? Hi, Jamie. Anyway,
diamond painting.
I don't know.
Someone said try out diamond painting.
Diamond painting. What's that? I do. I have a lot of crafts. I have a lot of googly eyes. I have a glue gun.
Is Lauren your daughter or a coworker?
Neither. She's my niece. Lauren is my niece. She's my brother's offspring. And to catch you up, in case you missed the first 30 seconds, she's got cray makeup, not because she's a 3rd grader in a dance recital, but because she was making a TikTok video. And she is a makeup artist, so she does these like TikTok videos, and it's really cool. I don't have any plans for anything, like Easter or otherwise. We're just trying to get through the day.
Yeah.
Stay busy, keep bringing you good content. And what about you guys? Are you guys working? Are most of you working? Anything new and exciting? Anything you want to talk about? Any questions that you have? Because I've been what I call anxiety walking. Usually I house walk. Close-up of Lauren's makeup. Somebody wants a close-up of your makeup.
Jamie.
Come here. Oh my God.
It looks crazy.
It's a little crazy. It looks good in the TikTok. But Lauren looks pretty no matter what. Hey, another Lauren. Anyway, so usually I house walk, and I do house walk a lot, but I have been doing what I'm calling anxiety walking these days. And I've been walking like 12 miles a day. I'm getting 30,000 steps a day. And people are like, what's wrong with you? And I'm like, I don't know. I just pace a lot. And whenever I have a meeting, I'm on the phone and I'm walking and walking and walking. But it's what I do, and it's working for me. So like, what little tricks are working for you? Like, what's making you feel better? Yeah, Jenny, I love Lauren's TikToks too. Someone's saying, why can't I stop eating? I have to tell you, a lot of people are saying they are having trouble and they're eating so many things now during this time. I get it. It's probably stress eating and you're worried. Like sometimes I never thought of myself as an anxious eater, but like sometimes I'll watch the news and the more bad news I see, the more I want to eat. So all I do is I walk.
And loved your podcast today.
Oh, you guys, if you haven't listened to today's podcast, you should. I had my good friend is an infectious disease specialist in Memphis, and he was on the podcast. He's super smart, and he's easy to understand. He has a great personality and a very soothing voice, so I think you'll like it. Okay, we are both. What's my favorite movie?
She doesn't watch movies.
What? I don't watch movies. I really don't. But I did like The Holiday any time of year.
It's a good movie.
I want to find a new job. You love yours. Yeah, everybody should have a job they like. But nervous eating is really a thing. And if you're going to nervous eat, then nervous walk too. Because honestly, I'm eating more carbs than I've eaten in I don't know how long. I'm eating things like bread and pasta, things I don't normally eat. But I am keeping very, very, very active in order to sort of counterbalance that. And thank you, Mary. I appreciate that. So I do think it's, as long as you can find a balance, you're good. Hey, Doreen. Lolly's home.
Where do you find your podcast?
Well, we link to it all the time, or you can go, if you have an Alexa, you could just say, Alexa, play the Hungry Girl podcast. Or you could find it on iTunes, or you could find it on Audio Boom, or you could find it on the podcast app on your phone. It's easy to find. Hi, Rosemary. Anyway, it smells like horses.
It does.
We live like in a horse community, and it smells kind of horsey. Unless that's just, there's people like 30 feet away, but I don't think they smell like horses. I hope not. Anyway, what other questions do you have? You love my Snoopy hat. I'm not wearing my Snoopy hat today, but this is a very retro hat. It's from the 90s. You know, before I was born. Ha ha ha. What I'm trying to read. Do you guys take? Yeah, we take the dogs. We take the dogs for walks a lot, but they're just not with us right now. Hi. There's a cute dog right there. We're social distancing from the dog, but the dog is good. Thank you, Stacy. Hi, Mary. Anyway.
Do you have a horse? No.
I do not have a horse. No, I'm afraid. I've never been on a horse. Have you ever been on a horse?
No.
Okay.
Not that I can remember.
You bought the magazine today? Yeah, we're in Southern California, in case you don't know. So the weather is beautiful, and the neighborhood is pretty, and when is the next podcast? Every week we do the podcast. Usually it comes out on Wednesday or Tuesday. See, I'm wearing a Marky Mark. I have 2 dogs. Now I'm reading all the comments. I'm currently watching My 600-Pound Life. Okay, I've never seen that show. But I did try to watch Tiger King, but I didn't really like it. Are you guys watching that? Everybody's talking about how amazing it is, but it kind of freaked me out. I don't track my calories on an app. I track my calories on a piece of paper on a pad that I scribble on. Is somebody yelling and hitting windows? We have irate neighbors. Lisa, you live in Upper Peninsula. Wow, I'm not originally from California. I am born in Brooklyn, raised in New York, and I have 90 Day Fiance. Robin watches.
Who says that?
This is Robin. This is Lauren's favorite show.
Love 90 Day Fiance.
Favorite show
So
that she
much.
watches. No, I'm from New
Obsessed.
York. I was born in Brooklyn, raised on Long Island, but I've been here for a long time. Anyway, Tiger King is a waste of time. See, I didn't like it. I didn't like it either.
I liked it.
I don't get it. I do like Dateline, and a lot of people were saying they have trouble sleeping. I've heard that a lot too, and I find Tiger King is disturbing. She's saying it's disturbing,
It's true.
and the truth is you have to stick with Tiger King. No, I can't do it, but I watch Dateline, and it helps me sleep. I find Keith Morrison's voice soothing. Same with Josh Mankiewicz. I like all of the Dateline correspondents, truly. Lisa and Lauren, we both look pretty. Oh, thank you. How do you stop stress eating? I have to tell you, if you can't stop stress eating, exercise. Counteract it. Have a mint, brush your teeth, call a friend, paint your nails. There's things that you can do to take your mind, I think, off of the food. And get out of the kitchen. I'd say get your butt out of the kitchen. When I'm in the kitchen, I want to eat. Don't you want to eat if you're in the kitchen?
Yes, I do. Sophia lost over 160 pounds, she said.
Holy Sophia, congratulations. That's
Nice.
amazing. That's awesome, truly. Oh, you were born in Brooklyn, Sophia? Brooklyn in the house. Canarsie.
90 Day Fiance is addictive.
Never
I
heard
agree.
of Tiger King. Wow. Tiger King is like, I don't know,
It's
it's
on
like,
Netflix.
it's on fire for no reason. Anyway.
People like watching
They
train
like
wrecks.
weirdo. These people are a little weird, I'm just saying. They say that one of the characters on the show, like, fed her missing husband to the tigers, right? Like,
Yeah.
this woman, her husband went missing, and everybody insists she fed him to the tigers. I mean, come on. These are not normal people. Good, that's what I do. I binge watch Dateline.
Yes, she does.
I did, and I had a fangirl attack when I met Josh Mankiewicz. Anyway,
Rosemary starts each morning with a 30 to 50 minute walk.
30 to 50 minute walk. Okay, so here's the thing. You see what we're doing? We are chatting with you, and it's helping us walk and get in extra steps. You can do this. You can call a friend, go outside. If you don't want to be alone, you can call someone and walk and talk to them. I like that. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, it is.
Doesn't she look like she's in a ballet recital?
I don't know why.
Look at your makeup. Her eye makeup is because she does
Thanks,
TikTok.
Doreen.
How can people find you on TikTok? Maybe I'll just
they can
post
find me
you.
on Instagram.
She's on Instagram. Lauren T. Lillian? Is that
Yes,
who you are?
it is.
Lauren T. Lillian. Okay. I am getting crafty. If you guys have any good craft ideas, let me know. I have very little patience. I love crafts, and I think I'm pretty artistic, but I don't have a lot of patience, so I need things that, like, take no time. And I love a glue gun. And I have all kinds of, like, googly eyes and pom-poms and everything. Yeah, Lauren is very pretty. Look at that face. OMG.
Thanks.
Must be the Lillian gene, huh?
Upbeat music on a walk.
No,
is good.
your mom is really pretty. I can't credit my brother with anything.
It's a combination.
It's the perfect combination. Perfection.
Dancers eyes.
Anyway, I don't know what else to say. I just wanted to let you know that I was here for you. I'm going to be back with more recipes. Tonight is not a recipe video. Now that I have that Hello Kitty microwave, it's so funny. She says it looks like you live in Jeffree Star's neighborhood.
That's funny.
We may or may not live like we may or may not
Don't
have
know.
just walked by his house. I don't know.
Say that.
Anyway, what was I just going to say? Oh, I was going to say I'll be back with recipes, and I'm going to do like a whole mug series. So if you like mug recipes, yeah, my sweatshirt says tomatoes.
Yeah, I was gonna
Whoa.
say, she made it for dinner.
Wait, what? My shirt says tomato soup. My brother is older than me. I'm the baby. Anyway, did I use I can't. Oh, glue guns are the best. What was I going to say? Oh, I'll be back with mug recipes. So I'm going to make egg mugs. I'll do more cakes in a mug. I'm even thinking about I've been making Rice Krispies treats for Lauren. Lauren, you're vegan, right?
Yeah.
So I bought a case. I didn't want to buy a case, but I wanted to order them online. But I got a case of vegan marshmallows. So I've been making Rice Krispie treats a lot.
They're so good.
A lot. But rather than make a big batch, because Lauren, do you sometimes eat more than one?
Sometimes.
So we're going to find a way to make one in a mug. And
Sometimes I eat like 5.
she says she eats 5. I don't know. Maybe when you're 20 you can do that. But I'm going to find a way to make a single serve of that, single serving, and
Yeah, people want mugs.
yes, mugs. We'll do a mug series. Tell me what you want to see in a mug.
Maybe a Anthony's cheese.
And I'll make it. Oh yeah, Anthony's cheese powder is the greatest. We'll do that. Hope your parents are doing great and staying safe. Everybody's trying to stay safe.
Yeah.
We're just hanging in there. Lauren left and went to the other side.
Well, I thought we were walking in the middle of the street.
She's hiding from the camera.
No,
She is. I'm left-handed.
By a car.
There are no cars here. Anyway, where did you find vegan marshmallows? Oh, Dandy's
Whole
vegan
Foods.
marshmallows. Yeah, Whole Foods. Did we get them? We either got them from Amazon or Whole Foods, but they showed up at the front door.
I mean, they're the same now.
The marshmallows went knock, knock, knock. Here we are, 12 bags. So we will not be eating them all at once, but it's good. All right, very good.
Cannoli in a mug cheesecake, creme brulee.
Yeah, this all sounds great. We'll do it. I don't know. This was an unconventional live video for us tonight, but I hope you're enjoying it anyway. You know, I like to change things up. Yes, Lauren lives with me. We live together. It's my husband, my niece, me, Lolly, Bam Bam, and Jordan. Jordan's a cat. Lolly and Bam Bam are dogs.
There's children playing.
There's children screaming. That's a new house that's being built. And that's that. All right, guys. I think it's time to sign off because my arm hurts, but I want you to know I'm here for you, thinking of you, want you to stay positive, upbeat, and I'll be back with tips and tricks and recipes, with more videos. You should sign up for daily emails if you don't get them. Still sending Hungry Girl daily emails Monday through Friday at hungry-girl.com. Tell your friends, and I hope you like them. All right, we're going to go now. The sun is unbearable. I should have had glasses. All right, I love you guys.
Bye.
Chew the right thing.